So today we're doing some baling, and I had an issue with the tractor that the PTO shaft came off, and the reason that it came off was because my pin, this pin here, came off and then the shaft came. The issue was that the PTO shaft came off is because I lost the pin. So I'm going to show you a nifty way that you can just use a bolt to fix the PTO shaft. And you can see right there, I welded on a nut on one side, and then you can easily just push it like that. So I'm going to show you how I did that. Saved me $100. So normally when you have a PTO shaft here, you have this little pin that you push, and then it's able to release. There's a little slot there. It's able to release that. And so what happened was the C clip broke probably, and then this, we lost it in the field. Now the issue is, this pin in here has two different sizes. You can see it, there's a thin size and a thick size. And so inside, you have the thick side right here, and then there's a spring. There's a spring in here, and then you have the C-clamp here. And so I thought you could just put a bolt in there, but the problem with that is you need two different sizes. So the trick is, what you do is you find a bolt that is as thin as the thinner side, and then to get it thick on this side, what you do is you get some nuts, and you want to have a threaded bolt that's all the way threaded. And what I did is I just threaded on several nuts to get it right about the middle, and those nuts make it the correct size. You can see right here, it's the same size there. And if it doesn't go in, what you can do is just grind down a little bit of the corners. And so that's what I did. I put on the nuts on the bolt, and I just grinded it down just to make it a little bit more circular. And then what I did was, after having about 3 nuts there in the middle, I put a couple at the end, and I spot welded those nuts from moving. I just put a little bit of spot weld with the TIG welder, and the MIG welder. And then at the end, there's a spring. Put in the spring. These nuts go up there, and so when you push it, it springs out just like that. And then I didn't have a C clamp. You don't have a C-clamp in anymore, but when it's out through, what I did is I just barely put on a nut like that, so that it would be stuck on there, and then I just put a little spot weld at the tip so that it wouldn't come off. And that's how to make a PTO pin. This pin right here, that costs $100 in the store, but you could just use a bolt and save $100. So that's a do-it-yourself kind of fix, as long as you have some nuts and bolts, which you probably do. Hope if this was helpful, just give a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next repair video.